Everyone, dear students, today I talked about the continuing of chromatography. The next topic is high performance liquid chromatography. It is shortly written by HPLC, high performance liquid chromatography. It should be also called high pressure in place of performance, because we need to high pressure to send the solvent towards the stainless steel jacket. So it is also called high pressure chromatography. So before we start the HPLC, we also discuss about the what is LC, that is liquid chromatography. What is liquid chromatography? So first we define the what is liquid chromatography. Liquid chromatography is a technique to separate or separation process used to isolate the individual component और मिक्सचर. सो हम लोग क्या करते हैं लिक्विड क्रोमेटोग्राफी में, किसी भी मिक्सचर में मौजूद कंपोनेंट को सेपरेट करते हैं. सो लिक्विड क्रोमेटोग्राफी इन्वॉल्व्स मास ट्रांसफर ऑफ ए सैंपल थ्रू पोलर मोबाइल फेज एंड नॉन पोलर mobile phase. First of all, we discuss about the what is polar mobile phase. This technique is dependent upon the two phase. That is one polar mobile phase. Second is non-polar stationary phase. So come to the main point. What is polar? Polar is love towards the water or light towards the water, the component which like the water. This substances is known as polar, and it is also called hydrophilic. Right now, what is non-polar? Non-polar means dislike water. The component who dislike the water, that is water hater component. So the component which is water loving is miscible with water, and this phase is known as mobile phase. Second phase, I also discuss the stationary phase, solid phase or non-polar phase. The component who dislike the water is known as hydrophobic, and this non-polar component is stationary phase. For example, silica gel is filled in a chromatograph, or polymer also the second example. So all of you are understand about the what is liquid chromatography. Again I repeat the definition. The techniques through which we can separate the process used to isolate the individual component of a mixture. It also involves mass transfer of a sample through a polar mobile phase and non-polar stationary phase. So after understanding about the liquid chromatography, today I discuss about the high performance liquid chromatography. What is the definition? Anybody else who can give the definition of HPLC? No. So it is technique to use to separate, identify, or quantify each component of a mixture. This is known as HPLC. This is the definition. It is an analytical technique used to separate, identify, and quantify each component of a mixture. Suppose that हम यहाँ पर कंसिडर करते हैं, इस कंसिडर में हम दो बीकर ले लेते हैं और इस बीकर में मिक्सचर ऑफ कंपोनेंट डाल देते हैं. मिक्सचर ऑफ कंपोनेंट में सपोज दैट बहुत सारे कंपोनेंट्स यहाँ पर मौजूद है. इस कंपोनेंट्स को हम सेपरेट कर रहे हैं. सेपरेट करने से फाइनली हमको 3 कंपोनेंट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सेपरेट होते हैं, जिसका फ्लो ज्यादा है या एफिनिटी टुवर्ड्स द स्टेशनरी फेज इज वेरी लेस, इज फास्ट मूविंग, एंड द कंपोनेंट who has the attracted with the stationary phase having the slow movement, and between the component and the solid phase a bond is formed. So through the chromatography the flow of mobile phase is very slow. So the fast movement is separated firstly and the slow movement is the separately lastly. So there are 2 types of component. One is polar, second is non-polar. I already discussed here, or you can call hydrophilic and hydrophilic. So here is the 2 phase. First is known as stationary phase, which is filled in a chromatography like silica gel or polymers. These are the stationary phase which is filled in a chromatography. Second is mobile phase. Mobile phase, which is the mixture which is analyzed or separate, identify or quantify. This phase is known as mobile phase. On the basis of purification of polarity. So this is the technique through which we can purify on the basis of polarity. Generally these 2 types. First is known as normal phase chromatography and second is known as reverse phase chromatography. In earlier cases, normal phase chromatography, which is slowly movement and the formation of bond between the stationary phase and the component. So it is lastly release or slow movement due to formation of bond between the stationary phase and the component of the mixture. It is also known as hydrophobic. So this is the normal phase chromatography. Here I discuss about the high performance chromatography, or known as reverse phase chromatography. In this phase, the added advantage is that first release hydrophilic. So after releasing the hydrophilic, it is supplied to the detector and detector send the signals, that is electronic signals, to the computer where the types of peaks is developed. If a graph is plot like a straight line, this is known as baseline. So, again I repeat, the whole thing is HPLC. Having any questions? No. Okay. Thank you.